Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to deal with fraudulent returns on eBay. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and let's model a situation when I am a seller and the buyer that has bought my item wants to make a return, and I suspect that it can be fraud. So what do I do in this situation? Go to your selling section at the bottom side of your screen, and here you will see the list of your items, and you need to find the order that is being returned, that the buyer wants to return. Tap on the item and check the buyer's return request details carefully, and pay attention to the reason that they chose, any messages that they have sent, and any photos they attached. And if you believe the return is fraudulent, like the item is different, damaged, or clearly not what you sent, do not accept it right away, of course. Go to Help Center, so my eBay section at the bottom side of your screen, and here Help button. Here in the searching bar, search for report a problem with return, a problem with return. So yeah, they don't have that problem, but you can just type report a problem, and here you can see report an issue with buyer, and then follow the prompts. eBay will ask you for proof, so take clear photos of the returned item, including packaging, labels, serial numbers, or anything that shows that the item was switched or damaged. And upload all your evidence through the return case page inside the application, and then explain clearly why you believe it's a fraudulent return. eBay's support team will review everything before deciding if you are responsible for the refund. And while this case that you open is under review, do not issue any refunds manually. Wait for eBay to step in and close the case based on the evidence. And there are two scenarios. The first one, if the eBay rules in your favor, then you will be protected and you won't have to refund the buyer. But another scenario, when the eBay rule against you, then you can still appeal the decision by contacting eBay support through the help and contact section, as I have shown it to you. So that were the main points how you can deal with fraudulent returns on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.